Minimalist Balinese architecture is the architecture that developed in Bali today. By simplifying the appearance of minimalist architecture very popular today. Minimalist architecture is a blend of architecture with minimalist architecture while reducing the concept of the triangle is realization. Minimalist Balinese architecture is always on the rules of following function. The development of minimalist architecture in Bali today has mushroomed in almost all regions in Bali. The concept that cannot be abandoned in applying Balinese minimalist architecture always have to apply the three current concept, namely Frahyangan, Fahwongan, and Pelemahan. By simplifying the form, and there is something that highlighted by Bali minimalist architecture is one of the right choice in building in Bali. If in the rural area of architecture, this must be in harmony with Asta Kesalo, so that this architecture does not conflict with local custom and tradition. Though this architecture is rather expensive because it expanses something or point, so it was in terms of structure. But its architecture is the most popular today because it produces elegant shape and very attractive appearance. However, minimalist architecture can be accepted in the international world. With the mushrooming of villa and hotel in Bali, minimalist Balinese architecture become the best choice without reducing the values of local wisdom. With the presence of minimalist architecture, obviously traveler who come to Bali increase.